just like a ball.
Okay, fine. I'll cook again.
Water. Pasta. Cheese. Mozza cheese. Butter. Flour. Milk.
Okay, first tie the rope around your body. When you touch the ground, however many Cheetos you grab, they're all yours.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, wow. Thank you, baby. Cheetos. Egg. Flour.
So yummy!
I just got hit in the face with a tomato. That means you're officially part of the party. Come on! Come on!
Yay!
No mercy in La Tomatina! There are still a lot of tomatoes. Aha! I have an idea. Let's go home and make tomato pie dip.
Tomato. Salt. Onion. Mayonnaise. Cream cheese. Cheese matzo. Onion powder. Worcestershire. Hot sauce. Pepper. Cheater. Coriander.
I need to go buy bread. Yeah, I got it! I want to take this.
Thanks.
Let's go back home. Bread.
Butter. Sugar.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow. Delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.
What are you doing, Ducky?
Oh, I'm so hungry, Daisy.
Hey, stop. Let's me cook. Don't eat like that, okay?
Thank you, Daisy.
Sausage.
Oil.
Egg.
Hey, what are you doing? Why you do that?
I want to help you.
That's not a way. It's dangerous.
Sorry, Daisy.
Luckily, the noodles are not broken.
Noodles. Water. Bulldog sauce. Cheese. Green fever.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow. Delicious.
I want to eat this now.
Huh?
So yummy. Ouch! My head. What's that box?
Let's open it.
Wow, beef. So fresh and big.
Let's bring it to Daisy.
Here, Daisy.
Thank you. Perfect for cooking. Beef. Salt. Oil.
Chili. Onion. Beef con salsa.
Who will win? Here, your prizes.
Daisy, we've got a gift for you.
Thanks, guys. Wow, that's what I need. Totirla.
Cheese.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow. Delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it.